Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a braid out on this hair. So as you can tell, it looks really wild right now. And I'm just going to section it off. Now this hair is thin. This is the wig that I got from ATOZ Wig. I'm not going to call it thin. I'm just going to say the density is low. They sent me this wig to review and I did a review on it. And a couple updates also. And I will list those videos below. So as you can see, I just sprayed it with water. I detangled it with my dimming brush, and then I'm just going to braid it to the ends. And y'all, this is a frontal wig. It's super easy to apply on. I added a elastic band to it, so I could just slap it on and off, just like I just slapped it on before this video. So So yeah, it's super easy, y'all. All you gotta do is know how to plait or braid, whatever you want to call it. And also when I'm braiding my hair, I'm making sure that I'm braiding tight so that it's like defined. I want my waves to be nice and defined. Okay, sis. So the next morning, I just take the braids out, and I did put a little bit of oil on my fingertips, and I just start to undo the braids. Now this wig is quickly becoming one of my favorite wigs because y'all look at this braid out. It looks super natural, and I love it. Like it's giving me Solange vibes. Yes, ma'am. Look at that. Girl, you better work. You better work. And thank you guys for watching my video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.